Hey, welcome to the show. This is Sandra Johnson, and Danielle and Raymond are not with us today, so this will be fun. This is our first time with doing the show without both of them, but I have Don Geisler here from Indie Realty.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm excellent. We will miss those guys, but I think we're going to have a lot of fun.
Mostly Raymond's shenanigans.
Ray's shenanigans.
Yeah, that's mostly what we'll miss.
I'm very happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
You are welcome. So I told you I was going to start the show talking about something that's absolutely not real estate related at all, except for the word house is in the title of Ronald McDonald House.
Okay.
So, Ray and I are involved with, we co-chair the Blue Blazers, and that's the volunteer arm of the Arizona Bowl. And we had an outreach activity where we were cooking at the Ronald McDonald House, but it's never good enough for this group to just cook, right? We're all super competitive. And so they made it a competition.
Okay.
And we had two teams that you can have 12 people cook at the Ronald McDonald House. So we had two teams of 6. And I led one of the teams, and then one of the other leadership gals, Darlene, led the other team, and we did a cook-off for the families. And I'm telling you, that was like a pressure cooker, man. They pulled out a secret ingredient. They gave us 2. They gave us parsley and poprocks. So we had poprocks go in some coleslaw. It was a red cabbage coleslaw. It was fine. And then we threw in some parsley in hamburgers. We did some sliders. But yesterday, well, it was Thursday or Wednesday, we got the results of the cook-off. They made us wait and to find out who won. And my team nailed it. It was a very narrow victory, but we won.
Of course. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. We went up against a chef, and so we felt pretty good about that. But had the best time ever. If you've never cooked at the Ronald McDonald House.
I have not, but that is an organization that I'm very fond of and respect a lot, and that's wonderful.
We
Congratulations.
should take the office down there. We should see who wants to come down, and I want to do another cooking day. I'm totally down for it. I do not want secret ingredients. I fought it. I said we are not doing that to families. I had no pull whatsoever.
I mean, they give you parsley. You just set it on the plate, right?
No,
I didn't even know you eat that
hamburger.
stuff.
I actually put it in
I
the
didn't even know.
hamburger.
I thought it either just goes on the plate for decoration, or you can just put it straight in your teeth.
Right in
your
your teeth. That's a great way to handle that. Yeah, we should take the agents down and go do that. It'd be a lot of fun.
I am all for that.
Let's do it.
That'd be a good time. We just at Indie Realty, we just wrapped up our October benefit for the Community Food Bank of Southern Arizona, and we're thinking we got about between 300 and 400 pounds of food that we're delivering down there on Friday.
Awesome.
So I mean, we just take a lot of joy and pride in giving back to our community, for sure. So let's get that on the docket.
That's what it's about. I think it'd be great. So we're probably looking at spring. I'll just warn you right now. I went in and looked to see when I could cook again without pop rocks and pressure of cameras. Now let's talk about Ray for just a minute. They did a video recap of it. Ray was not a cook. He was not on either team, and he's half of the video. I don't get it.
Well,
we'll post we'll post it on Facebook for you guys to see.
There is a lot of magnetism in the Ray Smith experience, So we keep him around for that for sure.
We do. He's entertaining.
Yes, he is.